Hello everyone, today we're exposing Sewera.com, one of dozens of fake Viking sweater shops flooding Facebook and TikTok with AI-generated images and $35 sweaters. Real customers report receiving cheap polyester junk or nothing at all. Let's expose this dropshipping scam. So Sewera represents itself as a Tokyo-inspired menswear brand selling Viking sweaters, hoodies, and jackets for $35 to $47 with poetic descriptions about craftsmanship and independence. The photos look stunning. Thick wool, intricate designs, premium quality, but it's all fake. Here's the truth. Sewera is owned by a Ningbo I1 Technology Company Limited, a Chinese company known for operating multiple short-lived fashion scam sites. The sweaters advertised for $35 to $47 are identical to items on AliExpress and Temu for under $15. They're reselling cheap bulk items with fancy branding and AI-generated photos. Real victim experiences are brutal. One Trustpilot user states, "The pictures on the website are clearly AI. Don't get lured in. What you see on the website is not what you will receive in the mail." Another confirms Sewera is a complete scam. The pictures from the website are nothing like as they have been described. Do not buy from this site. Victims report thin, low-quality polyester or acrylic sweaters with poor stitching and chemical odors, completely different colors and designs from what was advertised, incorrect sizes that don't match the listing, and in some cases receive empty envelopes or nothing at all. One user ordered, canceled with confirmation, but still got charged and received cheap knockoffs. Another paid over $200 for garments that were completely rubbish cheap knockoffs, with no resemblance to the website photos. Sewera is part of a massive scam network targeting Viking and Nordic fashion brands. These sites use identical tactics, or stolen product photos showing luxury wool sweaters, Nordic-sounding brand names like Amberarte, Sunstera, Clothbeat, fake About Us pages claiming Icelandic artisans, prices impossibly low at $29 to $47 for handmade wool, and meta TikTok ads with striking visuals that perform extremely well. The refund nightmare. When victims try to get their refunds, customer service is non-existent. No responses to emails, impossible return requirements, shipping to China at your expense, and accounts of credit cards being stolen after the purchase. One user reported their card was fraudulently used shortly after ordering. The final verdict: Sewera.com is a complete scam. Avoid at all costs. If you want real Nordic sweaters, expect to pay $150 to $400 for legitimate artisans with verified businesses, real photos, and traceable contact information. If a handmade wool Viking sweater costs $35, it's fake. Report these ads on Facebook, TikTok, and Instagram. Don't let scammers ruin Viking fashion for everyone. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.